Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to gel stain a piece of furniture. So we're going to do a dresser today. So this is the gel stain I use, General Finishes in Java color. So what you want to do is go ahead and lay it on thick. There's a couple different ways you can do this. So the first thing you want to do is, like I said, lay it on thick. And then basically you can either wipe it off immediately, or you can just lay it on thick and leave it like that. So use your towel, your rag, and wipe off the excess, and basically that's the difference. So either like a lighter stain or a really dark one. So we're going for the dark one. So basically you want to lay it on thick, and as you can see on the left it's not even, and then on the right it's a lot more even. So I'm going to show you how to make it nice and even. So once you've painted it on, then go ahead and make light strokes across, and you want to do this with the grain. And once you do that, then the gel stain will be a lot more even and not all thick and ugly looking. So this is what it looks like when it's done. You want to make sure you do 2 coats of this too. So the first, you got to let each coat dry over 24 hours. So it's going to take it's going to be a little bit of a process. And for my particular piece, the bottom, I'm painting inside, because when the drawer is all the way in there, you can actually see a little bit of the wood color at the bottom. So by painting in there, then you obviously won't see that, and it'll be the nice darker color. And this is what we're trying to color match, our little nightstands. And so I think it's a pretty good match. All right, so once you've done your 2 coats, then you want to put this clear coat on it. And basically all you do is you just paint it on. This just needs 1 layer. And just keep painting the entire thing until all the bubbles are gone. The little bubbles are okay, but big ones you want to get rid of, because you'll see those when they dry. And so just stroke it very, very lightly, and there you go. That's what it looks like, with basically no bubbles. Let this dry for like 3 or 4 hours, and you're pretty much done. And this is why you want to double coat it, because if you only single coat it, you're gonna basically like wipe off the gel stain with the clear coat, and you'll be able to see the original color. So that's why you want to double coat. That way when you paint the clear coat on, you don't paint through the entire thing. And this is the finished product, so I hope this helped you.